Have you been in a truck accident that you think may be due to a distracted truck driver? And now the medical bills are piling up and you're unsure if you have grounds for a legal remedy? Well, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Charles Buist, and I'm a personal injury and wrongful death attorney in Orlando, Florida. And I'm also licensed to practice law in Georgia, South Carolina, and North Carolina. And today, we're going to be talking about trucking accidents caused by distracted truck drivers. So let's get right into it. Distracted driving is a major cause of severe accidents in Florida and all over the United States. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration reported that distracted driving led to over 3,100 fatalities and over 324,000 injuries in just 2020 alone. This alarming trend includes not only everyday motor vehicle drivers, but also truck drivers who get distracted while on the road. Now let's take a minute to talk about what we mean by distracted driving. Distracted driving in this context refers to any action that diverts the driver's focus from the road. Now this could range from talking or texting on the phone, eating, chatting with passengers, adjusting music or navigation systems, to even watching videos. And these actions can cause severe accidents, particularly when a semi-truck weighing up to 80,000 pounds is involved. Now, if a trucker is driving at 55 miles per hour and gets a little distracted for just a couple of seconds, just enough time to read over a text message, well, the truck could cover the distance of a football field. And just pause for a second and imagine the damage that could cause, because it does cause damage every day. Now, if you suspect that a distracted trucker caused your accident, proving it can be a challenge, but it's not impossible. Evidence of distracted driving can come from multiple sources. So let's talk about that. First of all, let's talk about eyewitnesses. An onlooker might have noticed the trucker engaging in activities that diverted the trucker's attention from the road just before the accident. And their testimony can greatly strengthen your case. So always try to get the contact information of any eyewitnesses if at all possible. Next, cell phone records. The truck driver's cell phone records could potentially reveal if the truck driver was on a call or texting or watching videos during the accident, providing direct proof of distraction. Also, the cell phone records may reveal that the driver was scrolling through social media or doing anything that could distract the driver from the road. Now, let's discuss black box data. Modern vehicles, including trucks, often have a black box that stores data like braking information, turning information, or information about how fast the vehicle was traveling at the time of the accident. And this data can be extremely valuable, and it can help to prove that the driver was distracted at the time of the collision. For example, if the black box data shows that there was no braking prior to the accident, it could suggest that the driver was not paying attention. Now, let's talk about dash cam footage. Many trucks have dash cams installed, and footage showing the trucker looking away from the road at the time of the accident can be damning evidence and can help to prove a case of distracted driving. It's even worse when the dash cam shows the trucker scrolling through social media or watching videos on a cell phone. Now, in some cases, you may not be able to prove that the truck driver was distracted, but that doesn't mean you can't establish their liability. Often a distracted trucker might violate traffic rules leading up to the accident, such as failing to yield, making improper turns or lane changes, or the trucker might be speeding. And these types of traffic violations can help to establish a strong case against the truck driver. Now let's talk about liability for a second. The liability in a trucking accident will often extend beyond just the driver. The trucking company could also be held accountable for negligent hiring or insufficient training. And other parties, such as the cargo loader or the truck and tire manufacturers, could also share responsibility if their negligence contributed to the accident. Now, each of these parties potentially carries an insurance policy that could contribute to your damage compensation. And it's crucial to start the investigation early to uncover all the possible defendants. And your attorney can help you with this process. Remember, even though distracted driving is alarmingly common, it's deadly, and families lose loved ones every day because of it. If you've been injured in a trucking accident in Orlando or anywhere else in Florida, know that you have legal rights and there's help available to you, and you don't have to navigate the legal process alone. That's why we're here. Well, that's all I have for you in this video. If you have any questions about your trucking accident or your loved one's trucking accident, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're happy to offer you a free legal consultation, and we'll help you however we can. You can reach us at the number below in the video description, or you can find us at www.carelessdriver.com. And thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll see you next time.